My name is Brian Lees. I'm the Chief Engineer for the Jeep Wrangler, and we are here on the beautiful Rubicon Trail. The Wrangler itself, from a capability standpoint, we've made a lot of improvements. If you look, all the major angles on the vehicle, the approach, the departure, the breakover angle, all of those are improved over JK, helping us crawl over the rocks. If you look at our crawl ratio, with the full driveline that we have, we're able to easily maneuver over rocks. The vehicle is much more nimble than it used to be. We've improved the turn circle a bit over going from JK to JL. If I go back to the engines, they're much more fuel efficient, much more capable in this package. We offer a 3.6 liter V6 as our base engine, and then we just launched a 2 liter turbocharged direct inject engine. All of those lead to not only capability improvements, but also much better fuel economy. Another big improvement that we made going from the JK to the JL is the on-road refinement of this vehicle. In fact, that's probably one of the single biggest things that I'm told whenever people get in going from the JK to the JL. So we actually lengthened the wheelbase a little bit, giving it a little more stability. And then we changed the geometry of the suspension around. All of those things add to a much more stable ride. So now we've kind of struck a really great balance between on-road refinement and then the off-road capability. So this is a vehicle that the customer can drive to work every day, be very comfortable, and then go have fun on the weekends.
My name is Chris Piscatelli. I'm with Product Design back in Auburn Hills, Michigan, and we're out here camping on the Rubicon Trail. And I'm really excited to talk to you about the new JL Wrangler. So to redesign an icon, we go back to day one, the original Willys MB. Now understand that this was never meant to be a consumer product. It was simply a solution to a military issue. The Army had kind of realized that they had worn out the horse and they needed a nimble and agile, capable vehicle that was four-wheel drive and capable of getting people around. 80 years later, or almost 80 years later, we still retain that form follows function mentality. And even a lot of that classic silhouette remains today, albeit done in a new way that's very technical and innovative. Overall, the Wrangler, it retains a lot of that heritage, a lot of that flavor from the original one, but it's more capable and it's more refined than ever before, but it still retains its roots as that ultimate adventure machine.